I just kind of wanted to address this video because a lot of you guys ask me all the time, like through DMs and private messages, like, am I making money? Am I making money on YouTube? And how am I making money on YouTube? And are you making money yet? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sharia Brooks, and I'm back with another video. Thank you guys so much for my new subscribers that joined the family, and thank you to my oldie but goodie subscribers who have stuck with me throughout this time on my YouTube channel. I greatly appreciate you guys. So before we begin, please do consider subscribing if you guys are interested in these type of videos. Also, do let me know what kind of videos attracted you to my channel in the first place. Was it like my single mom videos, or you know, dating and relationship videos, or my vlogs? Whatever it is, do let me know so I can focus more on those type of videos to produce content that you guys actually want to see. So what brought me to doing this video is I did a poll on my Instagram. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, go ahead and follow your girl at Sharia B Baby. I will put the handle in the description box below. But do follow me on that Instagram platform, as I do host a lot of giveaways here and there, and I do also do a lot of polls, and I engage highly on my Instagram platform. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So I did write down some keynotes for myself, so I will stay on track with this video because I can tend to what shall I say, kind of go on other tangents. So I did write down some topics, some key points so I can stay on track. When it comes to making money on YouTube as a smaller YouTuber, I do make money. I do get these questions quite often, like on Snapchat, Instagram DMs, or you know, here and there people will ask me, are you making money yet? Do you make any money? Like, how do you make money by being a smaller channel? I do want to let you guys know that having a higher subscriber count does not automatically guarantee you to make more money on YouTube. It's based off of your views and your CPM. So basically your CPM is calculated for everyone differently. So a person with my amount of subscribers, like 9,000 subscribers, their CPM can be a lot lower or a lot higher, meaning how much are you getting per 1,000 views. So let me give you guys an example. Basically, you can get $1 per 1,000 views. So if your video has like 30,000 views and you are receiving $1 per 1,000 views, that's how much you're gonna get paid for that month or for that video. If you are getting cents per the dollar, so like 56 cents per view, per 1,000 views, then that also plays a factor in how much you're gonna get paid. So my views and my subscribers are different compared to somebody else who with a similar channel as mine. So it ranges differently. On to my notes. So also with ads, so if you guys have seen people with ads in their videos, you by watching the video, watching the ad, and just having ads on your channel in general, that contributes income as well by linking, by being associated with Google. So if you're getting paid, you have a Google AdSense account, and Google, basically, when I signed up way back when, I do get these questions frequently, and they're like, well, how do I sign up for Google? Well, when I did it years ago, basically I had to submit my request to Google, and they have to view my account, seeing how many subscribers I had, how many watch time hours I had as well. So the goal basically YouTube looks at is making sure you're having a lot of watch time throughout your videos, so they can recommend your videos to more people. So the longer you guys are watching my videos, the more they're going to favorite my channel and recommend them to viewers like you. So whenever we ask you to subscribe, or whenever I ask you to subscribe to my channel, it's just helping me build credibility on my channel. It doesn't pay my bills, it doesn't contribute to my income. It just brings like credibility, like letting you guys know she's a credible channel. She has all these different, all these subscribers, so why not subscribe to her? She knows what she's talking about. She knows her shit. Also engagement. So you want to have a good engagement in your channel, which is why I ask you guys to comment down below and let me know what you guys think about these type of videos or what videos you guys would like to see, because I like to engage with you guys. I really like to hear from you guys, and your engagement does help out my channel a ton. Even just liking this video helps out my channel a ton and helps it reach more viewers, which is what I try to disclose in my videos usually. Like, please like my channel, please like this video, because those little things like that, it really does contribute to channels like mine. Especially being a smaller channel, I really do want to get like messages like this across to you guys. And as you guys know, like if you guys watch me for a long time, I keep it real in my videos, which is why I really want you guys to engage with me so my channel can reach more people, so they can get this authentic realness. Because let's be honest, YouTube is so saturated these days, it's hard to find people who are like legitly being honest and straight up with you. And you guys may say like, well, we could say that for you as well. Yes, but at the same time, if you watch my videos, you guys know like I keep it 100. Look at my comments, you guys know like I engage, blah blah blah. So that is a huge factor when it comes to also getting your videos out there so you can make more money, is, you know, watching the video throughout, your watch time hours, so on and so forth. Also, what contributes to making money on YouTube as a smaller YouTuber is the type of video you're making. So you can make a video on, you know, how to ride a bike, but you have to make sure that your title, your thumbnail is appealing for people to click on it, which is what I've been trying to work on. I've been trying to get better at my thumbnails, because everything you guys see on this channel is like me, done by me. Besides my new intro. If you guys like that intro also, by the way, go ahead and give this video a like and let me know what you guys think about it below. I also do have an outro, so stay tuned for the outro so you guys can see what that looks like as well. I am definitely investing more into my channel, and I would greatly appreciate if you guys would go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and let me just know like you guys support it, you guys like it, you guys are enjoying this type of stuff. That will greatly help me out. Let me get into how much money typically a channel like mine's make. Bringing in about, and at this point, back then I had maybe like 3,000 subscribers. Like before YouTube became like super huge on what it is today, I was bringing about like, I was getting $100 quite frequently, and they pay you on a monthly basis. So I was getting about $500 a month. But mind you, I was being very consistent. That's why I ask you guys to definitely let me know what kind of videos you guys just want to see, so I can cater to you guys and what type of content you want. So my main tip to make money on YouTube is stay consistent. You know, invest in your channel. If that's something important to you, definitely invest in your lighting. The lighting I have here is a ring light, and I will link it down below. I've used different lighting systems as well. You don't have to get a ring light, but it kind of worked for me and what I was looking for at the time. Also, your camera does play a part in too, and you know, investing in yourself, making sure like your quality is good, and so on and so forth. So all those play a factor into how much you're getting paid, but you also have to look at this part as well. It's taxable money. Although you are working for yourself, you still have to pay taxes on your YouTube videos. So everybody's income is gonna be different. Yeah, so also YouTube, after, you know, you do pay taxes and stuff like that on, you know, having a YouTube channel, making money from it, YouTube does take 45% of your revenue. So keep that in mind. You know, $400, $500 a month, they take 45% of that. So you get, you know, not as much as you would hope. So if you guys are looking to make money being a smaller channel, just do your research on what videos work and what videos are not working. That's why you guys see a lot of different videos on my channel, because I'm trying to get an insight on what videos are working for you guys, what videos are not working for you guys, what are, you know, what you guys want to see, what, you know, opposed to what you guys don't want to see. So yeah, that it's just like a learning game. You have to know your analytics, you have to know all of this, which is kind of a headache, because you know, you want to be a creator, you want to create and talk about stuff that you absolutely love, blah blah blah, and, you know, make money while you're doing it. But also keep in mind, keep it as a hobby, because when you keep it as a hobby, you remain authentic, opposed to just being out there for like the money. Yes, the money on the side is amazing, it's great, you know, it's awesome having like doing your hobby and content creating and doing stuff that you love to talk about. But at the same time, when you're not seeing that money, if you're in it just for the money, then it becomes like your content gets watered down. You're not excited to make content, opposed to having it as a hobby, like in the back of your mind already. You know what I mean? Like either way it goes, you're winning, because it's like people are still watching you and you're still talking about the stuff you love to do, and so on and so forth. So I just kind of want to address this video because a lot of you guys ask me all the time, like through DMs and private messages, like, am I making money? Am I making money on YouTube, and how am I making money on YouTube, and are you making money yet? Yes, I am making money. It's not a great amount of money right now because, you know, I got to get my views up. But once the views are up, then you start making money, and then it feels worth it to you, I suppose, if that's what you're looking to do. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I try to keep it short and sweet for you guys. I didn't want to go on a tangent, but do let me know if you want me to talk about anything else in this video, or, you know, emphasize more on in the next video. I also want to make a video on how I get free products and how I do sponsorships. So if you guys want to know about that as well, by being a smaller channel, do let me know in the comments down below and give this video a big like. So I love you guys, and you guys will see me in the next one. Bye guys.